Hi, this is Rozani. Have you ever built your armature on a stick? Well, I do this so often, and I love to use different sized skewers. It's easier for me to manipulate the figurine when I have it on a skewer. So what else can we do? You can add whimsy and personality to your piece. But what makes your sculpture whimsical? A facial expression, a pose, a costume, or all of the above? How many looks can you create from one basic armature? And how about the poses? Let's find out. Position the head, the arms, and the legs differently and see which ones you like the best. Create different looks by changing the facial features, the hair, and the costumes. And that'll be up to your own imagination. I hope that these ideas will help you while sculpting your figurines. Do you like this type of content? Please let me know. And I hope you'll give this a try. Or if you would like something more comprehensive, please visit me on Etsy and take one of my workshops. Meanwhile, I thank you so much for watching, and I do hope to see you next time. So bye for now.